so we're back at it. So of course today we have the infamous red box of happiness here. You know, so it's from Fragrance by CA, one of my favorite online discounters. So you know, we don't have to bring a knife out today. We can just tear up the strip actually. So let's do that. We'll do that. Fragrance by, my favorite online discounters. And then off is from the house of Ahmed. This is KAAF. Now, KAAF is supposed to be, you know, heard some things about KAAF. It's supposed to be really nice, fresh scent. Of course, is Middle Eastern house Ahmed Maghrebi. So let's see. Open it up and see. Of course, here's the box. All right, from Ahmed. Very beautiful bottle. Really nice. Of course, the Middle Eastern houses always have the nice presentation. Well, it's hit or miss sometimes, but this is a nice one. Nice, clean lines. I like it. Let's see. I can smell it through the bottle already, so it's going to be a nice one. I can already see. Spray some on the wrist. Yeah, nice, pressurized, atomizer. Yeah. This is a good one. You know, it's late in the summer. Wish I got this early in the summer. This seems like a summer banger. This is really nice. So my first foray at the house of Ahmed. Yeah, this is good. Fresh. It's like some geranium in there. Yeah, I'm gonna probably break this out tomorrow. It's definitely smells like it's office safe. From the house of Ahmed. This is Ahmed KAAF. All right, that's the first one. All right. Now, like, nobody's even talking about the designers anymore. It's all Middle Eastern houses or niche at this point, accessible niche. So yeah, this is good. This is all going to be a Middle Eastern house unboxing. So you give you that straight away. Right, what's next? Yes, this is ANAQEED. ANAQEED EDP. This is from how's this from? This is from. Yeah, these are some yeah, from Fragrance World. You know, Fragrance World, French Avenue. You know, always bangers. Now this is supposed to be, I believe this is supposed to be a dupe of Latent exclusive. I can't quite remember. I ordered these a couple weeks back. The bottle, beautiful bottle. I love that bottle. That bottle is really nice. It's like a code on there, and then it kind of moves over, and then at the end it's just ANAQEED. So it's like some Arabic script, and then it moves over. Really nice box. All right, let's open it up. ANAQEED from the house of Fragrance World. Colors is green, and green's my favorite color. And man, this is really nice. Just from the box alone, I'm impressed. All right, Fragrance World. All right, here's a bottle. Nice bottle, really nice bottle. This reminds me of a Brioni bottle. Really nice presentation. That gold, that black, oh man, that blue. Let's see. Yeah. I don't quite get a Latent exclusive yet, but it's nice. It starts off really green, really green. Really green, some musk in there. I'll report back on this, but I believe this is supposed to be a dupe of Latent exclusive. But right now I'm not getting that. Getting some greens, get some musk. This is good too. On first impression, this is good too. And of course, with the Middle Eastern house, you have to let them sit and kind of macerate. You know, let them sit and, you know, spray a couple times, and then let them sit. You know, I'll probably give this a wear later in the week. And after that, just let it sit. All right, very good. Nice. So for the house of Fragrance World, ANAQEED. That's the second one. Now, I know for sure we're doing 3 today. So here's the one I've really been waiting for, really been kind of excited about. I think that's it. Let's see, put some surprises in here, like Fragrance Body's gonna do surprises, so let's see. Yep, here it is. This is from the house of Armaf. This is Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux. I've been waiting for this one. The Precieux, actually I've been waiting for the price to come down on this one, because I don't, you know, full disclosure, I don't have anything from Club de Nuit. I'm not really big into vintage clones. I have enough of vintage clones, and I never really took that dive into the Club de Nuit, the Club de Nuit, you know, the Club de Nuit of vintage clones. Like I have Club de Nuit, you know, Milestone, you know, Club de Nuit, the one that, you know, in the silver box. I have a couple of other Club de Nuits, Sillage, but I didn't jump into the original Club de Nuit that clones of Ventus. But this one's supposed to clone of Ventus Absolute. I'm never smelling Ventus Absolute. So I just saw this come on sale at Fragrance by Say for it was $49.99. I haven't seen it go for like 70, 80, 100 bucks everywhere else. So I just pulled the trigger on it before the prices change before they get sold out. So this was like maybe 2 weeks ago. So check Fragrance by CA to see if they still have this, because I got it less than 50 bucks. You know. So let's see. I haven't, like I said, I haven't smelled Absolute. Ventus Absolute is supposed to be a clone of that. My first foray into the Club de Nuit of Ventus clones. So let's see. That's the box, Armaf, right across the bottom. Okay, you're supposed to pull to open. Okay, it's kind of odd. All right, so yeah, I don't know if I like that. Collectors, was a collector's pride. Open that up. Okay, a couple different layers, you know. Nice rubberized. That's Club de Nuit right there. Nice rubberized stamp right there, holder. All right. So you pull it out. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. The Middle East house, you can never go wrong with the presentation. I mean, you know, they're always very ornate, very luxurious, and it has like a book. It has some things keeping it closed. Wow. It's a lot to go through to get to the scent itself. And there you go again. Very nice. So I just hope that the scent itself, look at this, opens like a book. Hope the scent itself is as nice as a presentation. Wow, look at all this. Some writing, scent for the royals, the House of Sterling. A whole script about the fragrance. All right. And now you finally get to the fragrance. It's like it's a bag, it's a wipe here. Very nice bottle. Looks like it's some script on each side of it. Not quite Greek script. It was very nice. Kind of reminds me of the Versace Greek script. Very nice. All right, let's hit a. Yeah, I'm running out of places to spray. So let's roll the sleeve up here. I'll give it a go. Let's see. All right, here we go. First foray into the Club de Nuit of Ventus clones. Okay. Does smell like a Ventus off top. Yeah, the lemon. Yep. Smells good. It smells good. Definitely give some time with it, but yeah. It's nice. It's nice. Like I said, I paid less than 50 bucks for it. I wouldn't pay more than that for it at this point right now. Hopefully it'll come down from there. But Fragrance by CA. Smells good. Smells good. Smells like a Ventus. We'll see how it develops. All right, so just to round it all off, we have Club de Nuit Precieux, the newest Club de Nuit from Ventus, supposed to clone Ventus Absolute. Then we have ANAQEED for Fragrance World. And then finish it off, we have KAAF from Ahmed Fragrances. So all for Fragrance by CA. Check it out. Fragrance from there. Thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, take care.